Happy National Cybersecurity Awareness Month from KnowBe4. This month we're going to be sharing some tips and tricks to help your users stay safe from anywhere. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about phishing because phishing has been a really big deal. The pandemic has really increased the amount of phishing that's happening out there. We also have the election happening. We have current events such as the president being hospitalized, which is all great fodder for the attackers. They use these subjects as ways to get people involved in these phishing attacks. Now, phishing underneath it all is a social engineering technique, and it uses our emotions against us. So anything that is controversial, anything that is upsetting, anything that is concerning can be used by them to try to get people in an emotionally agitated state, and then we make poorer decisions, especially on the critical thinking side. So we've seen a lot of attacks around all of these sorts of things. We're also looking at heading into the holiday season this year. It's that time again, and we know that scams run rampant there as well. So make sure that your users remember to hover the links when they get something in an email, or make sure that they don't enable macros on any documents that they open, and make sure the documents are from people that they know and trust. Also, double check the reply to address when sending a reply to somebody, and make sure it's actually going to who they think it's going to. So stay secure out there. Follow us all month for more tips and tricks on how to build your cyber security fortress from really anywhere. Thank you.